Now here is our processor right here. That's the underside of it with all the pins, and this is the top of it. That's what needs to be on top. These pins fit into these holes. Now let me hold it so you guys can see. On your processor, you're gonna have a little arrow on one side. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little gold arrow on one side, and there's also on your socket there's a little arrow on one of these corners. What you want to do is take where your arrows are on your CPU and line them up with the arrow on your socket. So here's how you put in this little lever right here. You're gonna want to take this, you're gonna want to pick it up, and what this does is it frees your socket. Take your CPU, set it in gently so that all the pins line up. Please do not drop it in. Once your processor is into place, you're going to want to go ahead and close this bar right here. It's kind of tight, so make sure it's nice and snug, and tuck it under this little tab right here. This is going to make sure that your processor is locked in place and it's ready to go. So now that we installed our processor, the next thing that we want to do is install our processor fan. So I'll put that in next door.